In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand the pivot table range in Excel. Let's open a document. This is a pivot table that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to expand the range of this pivot table. To do this, select a cell inside the pivot table. This will open two new menu options called Pivot Table Analyze and Design. Click on Pivot Table Analyze. From the menu bar, click on Change Source Data. This will open the source data of the pivot table. From this page, expand your table range as you want by selecting it. After selecting, click on OK. Here, you can see that the range of the pivot table is increased.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.